Hi, Mike Krekla, Tsunami Compressed Air Solutions. I'm here today to talk to you about the maintenance on our regenerative dryer pistons, and I'll show you that using our Pure 5 dryer. So first thing we're going to want to do before we open these hex key Allen wrench bolt positions is we're going to want to make sure we depressurize the system. As we're going to be removing the pistons, we'll be exposed to the compressed air, so depressurizing is what we absolutely need to do. So I'm going to take a 5/32 hex key Allen wrench here, and I'm going to remove the bolts slowly here, loosening each one of them in even intervals to make sure there's not too much pressure on one given unevenly from the others. So normal practice would be to remove both of these when doing a service, but I'm just going to demonstrate by removing one at a time here. So as I said, I'm using a 5/32 hex key Allen wrench, and then the piston itself can be removed with a 1/2 inch 13 bolt. It is usually the best option, is it'll simply screw in and pull it out to remove it. In this video, I'm going to be using just the Allen wrench to kind of pop the piston out. And then once that is removed, you would want to then grease all of the O-rings on the piston, as you can see here, making sure that they're not going to be exerting any pressure or getting stuck on anything as the piston is actuating. You simply pop it back in and make sure that the spring is in the same position that it was previously. The spring will often come out with the piston, and then we're going to simply screw the bolts back into place, and then we'll be able to repressurize the system. For the piston kit, each piston kit comes individually. The part number for that one is 219990707, and the piston kit will apply to all of our Tsunami dryers, whether it's a Pure Series or a Ultra Series. They're all the same internal piston, so that makes it easier for maintenancing, as well as knowing what parts you would need. If you have any questions, feel free to visit us at tsunami.us.com. Otherwise, feel free to give us a call at 800-782-5752.